So now we'll discuss the schematic diagram, okay, of interconversion of matter. So this is the second part in this chapter which we were discussing yesterday. You have already drawn that diagram very neatly. So here I will just explain it once. So schematic diagram is nothing but when you uses boxes and arrows to explain something. Schematic diagram means when you be using a circle or a box or arrows
To explain
it in a brief way. So it will take less time, but it's very presentable. There is no scope of deducting marks also. So that's why schematic diagram is very, very important. So what are the three states of matter we are aware of?
solid, liquids, and gases.
Solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so these are the three states of matter. Now in these three states of matter, we have 6 processes involved, which means it's a two-way process. That means solid can get converted to liquid, liquid can get converted to solid, liquid can get converted to gas, gas can get converted to liquid, again gas to solid, solid to gas. So basically everything is interchangeable, it's a cycle. So interconversion of states of matter means when one state can change to another state and back to its original state.
It's known as interconversion.
By application of temperature and pressure is known as interconversion of states of matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first tell me what happens when solid changes to liquids. Do I apply heat or do I cool it?
We apply heat.
We apply heat. That means the process of change of solid state to liquid state on application of heat is known as
Melting.
melting. Very good. So this is melting. Any other name for melting?
Melting. Melting or I don't remember.
Oh, fine.
I think it's so called
Fusion.
fusion. Yeah, fusion.
Okay. Fusion. That is
Fusion
the
and melting, yeah.
other. Next, can liquid change to gas?
Yes, ma'am. And when it changes, it's known as evaporation.
Evaporation. Is there any
Or
other
boiling.
name? Very good. Evaporation you can use more frequently, that is used. You can also say boiling or you can also say vaporization. This is also heating or cooling.
Heating.
Again we are applying heat here. Can gas change to solid?
Yeah, and that's called as deposition.
Deposition. So here are you cooling or are you
Cooling.
heating?
We're cooling.
So here we are cooling. Okay. So this is deposition. Or also you can use any other words are here apart from deposition.
Something else is there, but I don't remember.
Solidification can we use here?
Yeah, solidification. Yeah.
You can use here solidification also.
Because
That term
solidification-
is mostly used in physics. In chemistry we generally use the word deposition. Okay. Now this is this way. Now let's go to the other way down. If
So
I
liquid to solid.
Yeah, if I convert solid to gas,
That's sublimation.
that is sublimation.
And we apply heat.
Very good. And we apply heat. So this is cooling, this is now gas to liquid, is that possible?
Yes, ma'am. And that's known as condensation.
Very good. That is known as condensation. Any other name for that?
No. Liquefaction.
Very good. Liquefaction is the other word for condensation. So don't get confused if in exam they are asking you liquefaction instead of condensation.
Yeah, it's the same
Both
thing.
are same.
One is
So here is it cooling or heating?
cooling.
We are left up with the last one, that is liquid changing to solid. What is this process called?
That's called freezing or solidification.
Yes, freezing or solidification. Now the word solidification is generally used for liquid to solid in chemistry, and deposition from gas to solid in chemistry. In physics, solidification is used, so don't confuse yourself with that. In chemistry, we use gas to solid as deposition, whereas liquid to solid as freezing or solidification, which happens on cooling. Now there is no symbol as such for cooling, so when you say cooling you write COOL only, but on heating you can use the sign delta or the symbol delta, or you can simply write heat.
There's no sign exactly for cool. So yeah.
No sign for cool. So you can write heat cool or you can use delta cool. It's fine. So these are all the processes which are involved while converting one state to another state and that state back to its original state. So if you don't use the word original state, interconversion is not complete. Okay, so that state will be complete only if the cycle gets complete. So one state changes to another state back to its original state on application of temperature or pressure is known as interconversion of states of matter. And these are the processes involved. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.